Here's all you need for a lovely and nutritious Swede and celery soup. Tomato paste, chicken stock cube, garlic, onion, sweet bell pepper, Swede obviously, and celery obviously, and then a few mixed Italian herbs and a splash of honey. First thing we're going to do is get all the veg washed and chopped ready for the pan. With your veg all nicely chopped, it's time to melt some oil into a large pan, and then it's in with your chopped veg. And it's into there with some seasoning, some salt, and some cracked black pepper. And it's on with a lid, and leave them for 5 or 10 minutes just to soften down the veg. When your veg have had 10 minutes to soften down, it's time to go in with as much or as little garlic as you'd like. Into there also with some of your Italian dried herbs. Get that mixed in, and then just give them a minute to get the oils out of the herbs and for the garlic to cook through a bit. When your garlic and herbs have had a minute, it's time to go in with a litre of chicken stock. Then into there you're going with about a tablespoon of tomato puree, and to sweeten it up, to counteract the peppery taste of the celery, you're going in with about a tablespoon of honey. Then pop the lid back on, and you're going to simmer them for at least half an hour. The longer you simmer it, the less chance you have of the stringy bits of the celery to be there. So simmer it for as long as you want. If it does get a bit low on liquid, just top it up with some water. When it's had 30 or 60 minutes or however long, it's time to take it off the heat and let it cool down a bit, because you're then going to put it into a blender and get it blitzed up. Once you've pulverised it in the blender, it's back into the pan. As you can see, it's a bit thick for some people's taste, but if you don't like a thick soup, I mean I do because it's vegetable, but if you don't, just add some water to dilute it to the consistency that you like, and then butter yourself a nice crispy bread baguette and enjoy it.